Alright, is it streaming yet? Hello, are we on YouTube? Hello, are we on YouTube? Oh yes, we are. We are on the God YouTube. Not sure if I'm allowed to say the second word. Alright, top messages, not top messages, but all messages. Yes, sir. Community, live chat, yes. Message delay, no. For the channel blocked words, no, we don't need any. We don't have any censorship. Community defaults, nope. All right. So, hello everyone. Are people joining the stream yet? Is anyone watching me? Oh, God. Boom. So, yeah, that's what we got so far. Can you guys? Oh, right, I have the chat down there. So, today, what are we gonna do today? So let's like write a list for today. Actually, that's a good thing to do, even not on stream. So first, make NPCs NPCs spawn on the ground instead of above in the sky. Second, um make NPCs. All right, we have that fixed. Make a command for changing the NPC limit. Three. What else? NPC limit. What else? Make a badge for knowing when a certain individual joins. Make a badge giving script, of course, that's what I meant. What else? I don't know if we can do all that in one stream though. Weather customization admin command. That would be good. 5. I'm not sure if we'll do all that in one stream, but you know, 5. Alright, I don't really need this. Nor do I need this. Oh, hello, someone joined the stream. Alright, I do need this. So, I suppose that is really it. That is really all we're doing today. I don't see anything I would like to do besides that. Tools. Hello, that one. Guy. What do you have that in the middle of your username? It's really interesting. Well, we already have this. Should we have collisions? Is that one guy? Cool. Oh. That one guy? What? That makes even less sense. Why is it nah? Collision script. Should we have collision? Yeah, let's keep the collision so far. Anti-AFK. Speed coil. Yeah, we'll keep the speed coil so that people can bot my group. Animate. Alright, everything seemed to be fine here. So and I don't know what else to add. Oh, right. Maybe add custom NPCs slash NPCs. No, NPCs like this. Ew, my grammar sucks. Classic? What classic? Map? Maybe add custom NPCs to that. Custom NPCs that will say something. Want to hear a joke? Please tell me your joke. I'm in a very bad mood today, and I really want to hear a joke. If you don't make a good joke, you're getting banned out of this stream. Say I'm hungry. No. You have to say it yourself. You're the one making the joke. Make it a part of the joke. Oh, I don't know. That's a good joke. It made me actually hungry. Alright, make NPCs, make command for changing the NPC limit. It is almost done. So, sorry bro, no worries. All people make mistakes. You just seem to... Alright, no, never mind. Oh, right, and is spawn... That's a thing. Cease limit and... on off script. Beautiful. Anyways, so let's start off with NPC limit because we already have a similar script to this, which is called, where is it? Let me find it. Change NPC. Right. Oh, so I don't think I don't even need AI for this. No, I do need AI. I don't want to use my golden brain to think through all this stuff, because it's gonna take more time. Even though I could figure this out myself, I'm gonna stick to be using AI because the point is kind of to make the game with help of AI. Not with help, but relying on AI. Also, if that's your Roblox avatar, I'm gonna say it's good. Thank you, man. But there'll probably be some interesting streams on these weekends, so like tomorrow and after tomorrow, I think, where we'll be actually doing something to it because, you know, it's made out of like Roblox avatar catalog items and they're not necessarily mine. And, you know, I want to fix that. Whatever that can mean. Make this script change. What is the value called? All right. I hope to see there. Anyways, don't want to make you feel obligated, but if you're not gonna join, me and the chat are only going to talk about you, how you didn't join the stream. Yeah, that. Make the script. Make 2 more versions of this script. One that will change a Boolean value called ... open bubbles is spawning, and second version that will change the value max NPC the number value max NPC. I'm gonna give you the script itself and I have a question for you. Please ask it. The script itself and the one it is affecting. Modify. Also modify the affected script by changing the values from simple local to dynamic child dependent. Wow. And all right, we're waiting for the AI to figure all of this nonsense out. Also, probably what should be the base amount of NPC spawned? Right now it's 200 and it's kind of overflowing the map a little bit, just a little bit. Look. Oh, just a tiny bit. There's a tiny bit too much NPCs. So, and there's supposed to be maximum of 10 players. Also, don't mind the NPCs doing the splits. Yeah, it should be a little bit more rare. Less frequent. No, not this NPC AI. Oh shoot. 15. Yeah, 15. So what is the question, man? Is it really that long, or is it not allowed on YouTube? Is why I can't see it. NPC spawner. Max NPCs. Let's see how good is gonna be 10, cause like we have 10 players, 10 NPCs. Isn't that fair? Not really. Let's go with double the amount of players on the server. Maximum amount of players on the server, 20. Yeah, that looks more like it. Ow! Ow, I didn't know it can kill me. Should it even kill me? Wait, hold on, why is the realism not working? Is it working in the actual game? And like, I'm leaving by... Alright, see ya. Fire. Is it damaging? Huh? Fire effect. Plus, 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 minus, minus, plus, minus, minus. Nope, don't do that. God, it's thinking for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, imagine. So long. How can I unlock this? Is it even unlockable? Shoot. Alright, bro, what? Please. Alright, it can't really let me through, I guess. Hold on, let me publish the changes and see if... 4 minutes! Never has my Grok AI thought for so long. Alright, oh, it's actually generating the script now. Alright, that's a good sign. Ooh, they changed the developer icon. Hold on. Yeah, this thing is working. The realism, and that's good. Alright, this is kind of bad. This is... Alright, I know what I want to fix. Range is hella big. This thing as well. Hmm. I don't know how good this is. Alright, I'm gonna make this smaller. Like a lot smaller. Like this small. And then... kind of move it around. Wait, where's the light source? Here. There's one. And there is one as well. Does some of these not have shadows on? They do. This is like coming from here. Alright, alright. Huh? What is this light? What the helly? Where the helly is this coming from? Oh, somewhere here? Huh? Where is this light coming from? Here? Is there something here? Hold on, I have this plugin for previewing light sources. Oh, there is one. Oh, come on, man. Huh? How do I turn off moon animator? Oh, great. Alright, is this... Yeah, about... Huh? About like this? Hmm. Good. Now, I'm gonna log this because it's just really annoying and useless to click at. Okay, that's good. How long more? Just a little bit. Mm-hmm. How would I go about this? Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Let me move it. Move it, move it. Let me move it. How would I go about this? It would be nice to have like a spotlight there. Aw. Turn this off. Interesting. Alright, I like this. But it has to be a lot. Did I just hear secret and game in the same sentence? Yes. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with a game being secret? You're watching this one. Oh, nice. Because soon it's not gonna be secret and everybody's gonna know about it. So you better be, you know? Oh, I want it really far away. I want it like an actual spotlight, but I need it a lot brighter so I can know what is it lighting. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Let's go like 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, that works. All right, now I gotta make it a lot Oh no, 15. 1. How much should we do? Just a little bit. So nope. You can clearly see it's not a little bit. Like this. My brother makes games too. XDDD. Your brother is so cool. I gotta make this yellow-ish. Yeah, but a lot less, right? Like this. Perfect. Exactly what. No, hey, wait. It has to be a little bluish because it's coming from the outside. So let's actually test how it looks there. But I don't want to work on visual part anymore. I think it's perfect. Hold on, is it even there? Should be somewhere here. Oh yeah, I can see it. All right, so what else do we have to do? Make NPC, yeah, make a command. Oh, right, is Grog done writing this thing there? Wow, that is a lot of scripts that he gave me. All right, I like this. Max NPCs takes a string parameter, true or false. Nice. All right, NPC spawner. Boom. It all works. So now, by the way, what do you? Oh, you're not on the stream anymore. I think YouTube may be just saying that. Anyways, what do you guys think of making games with AI? Do you like it? Do you not? Oh, you are. It's okay, don't worry. YouTube is just constantly trying to gaslight me into thinking that I'm insane, and the people in the chat are actually my voices in my head, which is also true. But that's, it's different. So I need duplicate. How do I duplicate? Why is it not duplicating? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can just press it like this. Wait, what was it? Max NPCs and what is the second one? NPC on off. So I like this answer more. Let me just click on it. Also write syntax. Syntax scripts for those two. Here's an example. No, that's a bad example. Let me get actually the one that we were using. All right, that's done. He's done. He's thinking about it. Let me just put. Oh my god, the script there is so big. It takes so much space. Server. Max NPCs. Server. NPCs on off. Set spawning. Hell no, we're not calling it set spawning. Not this. NPC spawn ing. How should I call this so it makes sense, like in the command bar? NPC spawning. We're calling them. We should call them bots. Bot spawn. Yeah, all commands regarding bots should be starting off with bot. Yeah, bot spawn. We'll have to change other ones as well. So set max. Oh yeah, this also makes sense. Set max bots. There's dang ads and streams now. Yeah. Imagine. To the specified. All right. The maximum amount of bots. String max. All right. Max bots. Max bot server. All right. This shouldn't change. This shouldn't change. Well, what is this called? Bot spawn. Now let's see if it's working. Script 1, that's fine. Why is it not working? Did I paste it in too early? NPCs. Hold on, is it spawning them here? No. Alright. Grok, fix it! Fix it! Quickly! Let's see if the values are changing. There are where are the values at? Oh, set max bots 6, 7, and oh, right there. Oh my god. Bot spawn true. That's why it wasn't working. Look now. Set max bots 670. It's working. All right, forget about it, Grok. It's working. I was just stupid. 6, 7. It has to be turned on by default so that bots are actually spawning. Max NPCs. We'll start off with 20 like we said earlier, and this value is set to true by default. Now, wait, what was it? Make NPCs spawn on the ground instead of up in the sky. Make this script spawn. No, hold on. It's a different script that is doing that. It's the. Where is it? It's the AI script. NPC AI. This one. Spawn NPCs. On the top part on the NPCs in random location like it does right now in the boundary, but only on parts, so not above and not below them. Make sure it spawns them on the highest possible part so they don't spawn in caves or underground. Right now, we're just gonna wait. Let me actually test if everything is still working with our 6 avatars. Let me get someone within our 6 avatar. Whoever this guy is. Wait, what is this? A Jenka 2. Set clone. What is it? What was it? Change clones. This. Kill clones. Huh? Hello? What? Huh? Why is it spawning me? Huh? Is it not changing the right value for some reason? It is? Is it not taking it? PC ID. Local user ID. Is it not? And it's time for me to go. Good luck on your secret game, dude. Good luck. See you too. Bye. Is it done writing me the script? All right, and what is this? What? Oh, the value of CID became non-dynamic for some reason. So if I change it, it stops. It's still stays at what it was originally. That doesn't seem to happen to other values that depend on children of the script. All right. Man, I saw people watching me on Twitch. Is anyone doing that right now, I wonder? Why am I even streaming there? Let's see. Um, where is Grok? Oh, here it is. Is he still generating? All right, that's good. Let's try this. Huh? Sure. Still not working. Oh no, hold on, what? Huh? Alright, so failed to find, huh? What's wrong here? Wait, but is it doing the right thing? Humanoid is walking. False. Spawn. No, there shouldn't be spawn parts. Make this work without spawn parts. Spawn the boundary part as well. So it only spawns somewhere random in the boundary part. Only on top of highest surface without any roof above. Hopefully that's gonna work. Waiting. We're so waiting. Alright, what the hilly? Alright, we're waiting. We're waiting for the grok to give us the script. Huh? Is this really what your answer is? God. We're so waiting for grok to give me. Huh? Hold on. Oh no, it's okay. For grok to give me proper directions. Hmm. Still generating. God, it really takes long. Oh, it's done. Alright, let's paste it. NPC AI. Is it? Yeah, it's the right script. Failed to find valid spawn position. Still, hi, why is it still all me? Boundary parts. Boundary parts. Boundary. Local boundary. Boundary parts. Classic. Um. Huh? What's wrong? Spawn. Chow. Chow is like bye, isn't it? Um. Is this thing even copying the avatars? True, true, true. Yes. Why is it not working? What if I put someone in there different? Is it gonna copy him though? But it's not gonna change. Yeah. Hmm. What? What? Alright, it's working on it. Hmm. This thing is also glitchy. Is it changing the value? Changing something obvious? Yeah. Now we gotta wait. God, this whole stream is just about me waiting. Did I say that already? I wonder. Alright, this is done. What was it? Oh, yeah. This. Hello. We got Russian speakers here. That is crazy. That is so crazy. Hold on. It's not necessarily working. Max. But what is it called? Chain. What? What is the value called? What the helly? What the helly? What the helly? Set max bots. No, max bots. Max bots. 6, 7. They're still falling down. It's not. It's laggy as hell. Wow, what? Hold on, what? That's interesting. That's really interesting. All right, let's see. Is this Grok was unable to reply to your last message? For what reason? I need it. I need the last message. Let me see. Wait, bot spawn. No, spawn. Yeah, bot spawn. I want to make sure that. So like when I write bot into command bar, bot change, bot kill, bot whatever. NPC. Bot change. What should I call this script? Bot player. Bot look. But it really has to be something. Bot ID. Needs to changes what player the bots are copying. Kill all bots. How should I word this? Kill bots after using this. Kill bots. Only works on new bots. Nah, that doesn't make sense. Make sure to kill all bots after using this. Player to copy. Hold on, let me see if the Grok is giving any more answers. Let's see. So, bot NPC swap, change NPC. Change bot. No, bot ID. Bot ID server. NPC swap. Swaps chosen player location with a random bot. Bot. Yeah, that's better. Let me see something. Oh, optional? Type player, yeah. If no, player specified. Alright, that is so much better. Bot swap. Good. Hold on. Did the AI write me more stuff? Yep. That is, what is that? Looks like this thing. How does that work? Yes. Huh? Stop. Does it kill them? Oh yeah, it does. Huh? AI did. Why did AI do that? It's a good feature, but why did it do that? I did not ask for this, but I should have. So the only problem is that wait, what is the problem? What is the problem? Right, they're spawning in the air. Hello. Good. Now make the script spawn bots. Only on top of base parts. Only on top of whatever. Only on top of surfaces. Right now they spawn on top of the boundary itself. Instead, I want them to spawn on whatever is the highest play whatever's the first thing you'd see looking at map from the top. Secret. The game is not called yet. You're gonna know all that information, like what the game's name, what is the game about, when it comes out. And it's pretty soon. Probably this month. Yeah, most likely. Almost guaranteed. See at map from the top. Still random on horizontal axes though. And now we wait. I hope he will be able to do that because I don't like AI spring. Can you let me have a look in studio? You just set me to a viewer. No? No, that's too much. I can certainly show you some functions. Look. when you spawn, there are bots. The game is literally botted. You can go like bot ID Jandel. And now there are Jandels. Bot ID. It should be called bot name, bot player. Change was player by copying. Kills all bots. Clones. There's also kill clones. Bot purge. Bot. Yeah. Deletes all bots. Bot purge. Oh, such a smart word. Bot purge. Now, are there any other... God. Bot ID, bot purge, bot spawn, bot swap, max bots. Good. Now, what I asked for... Again! The Grok is really... Are there any channels you can recommend to learn Roblox coding? Not really. I mean, I suppose for me, I mostly use AI to write code, but just the, if you could call it syntax part, because I know what I want like every script to do. I'm just telling the AI to necessarily like write the logic itself, you know? I don't think it's a really hard task to do like mentally. I don't really think you need much skills. What AI? I use Grok. I was literally talking about it like 5 times already. Yeah, like ChatGPT, like LLM AI, if you know, if that makes sense. It's just that ChatGPT is really stupid, and so far only Grok is really... God, he is giving me such stupid answers right now. Even he made the whole game, but right now he's so stupid. Give me my whole code, but with fixes. I'm asking. All right. So yeah, I don't actually. I was thinking, and I'm not exactly sure. What if we'll like get 2 coders, like really good coders, and we'll ask one to, we'll like give them a game with certain features, and we'll ask them to make that game with AI, you know? One of them will be using AI and one of them will be using like their actual knowledge. I wonder who's gonna make it quicker, who's gonna make it faster. Making my own game called Laser Blitz and Concert Stage. Oh, that's 2? What's 2? Viewers? God, what the hell? Actually, I really want to swear, but I don't want to do it on the stream. Why is it giving me such stupid code? It's literally giving me 1 line when I'm asking him to... When I'm giving him like at least 700 lines. Which he is... Normally he would like It's an okay thing for him to do. He's just being silly. Very silly. Too silly. Illegally silly. Anyways, I'm gonna change this loud. God, it's still so loud. No, I'm getting rid of the sound at all. Fire! Firelight! Are these anchored? Alright, yeah. I keep trying Chat GPT to make me some owner panel, but yeah. Yeah, I don't really use Chat GPT. I think it's really stupid. Forgot about this thing at all. I used to use it actually at some point, but hell no, not anymore. Like, would you say that? Oh my god, how what? Oh, it still didn't finish, so still generating. All right. It keeps having big problems, like the code will error and stuff. Most of it didn't work. Would go over stuff, then it breaks. Yeah, it don't. I mean, that kind of stuff doesn't seem to happen with me when I use Grok. So maybe you should try it. Though I don't know how optimized his code is, but it's certainly working. Like, probably the difference between an AI and a scripter is that scripter knows how to optimize his code better. Because my AI has so much lines of code, I'm not sure any healthy individual can comprehend that amount of lines. Really don't know. All right, now let's see. No, there's still. Hold on. Oh, ADs? What? Oh, ads. They're not spawning. They're spawning at the top of the boundary. Wow, there's too many of them now. So many now you get on YouTube. They're like 60 seconds. Crazy. Let me see. Let's try. I think. Wait, where do they spawn? All right, there's like a spawn thingy there, where the bots are spawning. So they're spawning right here right now. Let me give them like a separate room actually. Your character in the corner glitches. It will glitch if you type. Huh? Let me see. Hold on, I'll have to do. Oh no. Yeah, let me see. Oh, this will have to be like this for a second. Oh, it's not glitching, it's just picking up my keyboard. It's kind of funny though. Let me try to fix that. I guess let's just do this. Yeah, now it's good. You can clearly hear my keyboard, but the avatar doesn't hear it. Look, I'm doing it really loudly. Oh. Oh no, you guys can't hear it too. I forgot. Whatever. Huh? Oh oh no. Oh, it's fine. Grok, did you fix? No. Regenerate your answer. What the hell, bruh? Why is the raycasting not working? Is it picking up the boundary itself? Whatever. I wanted to make like this little room for the. There's not enough streamers making games on Roblox anymore. Probably because they have a job. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. But like, um, I kind of agree, but still, do you? God, I'm so confused. What do I even want to say? Why is it like this? No. So, like, I'm not really a developer type of streamer. You can notice it by type of videos I make. I just wanted to make a game for like a video. So you shouldn't really count me into that category because, you know, I'm probably I will at some point make more games, but that's not my main, thing I do. This thing is also kind of bad. Is better. Oh, what the hell? That doesn't seem to work. Yeah. Whatever. How long has the game took you to get this far? Well, hard question because a lot of the features, like features that you could use in any game, technically, like, you probably didn't even notice them. They were made. This game was actually called Japanese Voice. I was making a Japanese voice chat game with my friend, but we kind of stopped, and I decided to reuse a lot of systems from that game here. So, like, wait, when was the first stream on this? When was the first stream? 4 days ago. There has been like 4 streams, daily streams. So 5 days, I think. I probably came up with the idea like 6 days ago. So 5 days, 2 hours a day. Um, is it done? Is this the thing? Yeah. All right. All right, they're still spawning at the top of the boundary for some reason. Add raycast for ground detection. Sure. So it's gonna do like ray casting from the top to see. Oh, spawn here. I think, yeah, that kind of makes sense. That's what I was going for, but I don't know if it will be able to do that. I think it will. Rays are probably spawning in like random positions. Who knows? Not me. Should I change any materials? Nah. Wait, how long have you been streaming for? An hour and a half. It's a bit laggy when spawning the bots. Yeah, well, it's because I'm on my. It's because I'm in the studio and it's running on my computer, so it may not be handling it very well. But like bot spawning doesn't take too long as you don't put the value to like 1,000. It's gonna be 1,000. It's gonna be laggy for a while until you get like to the maximum amount of bots. Right, I wanted to make like a little box for the bots. Like a little box. Let it be 100. No, it's not. That's the wrong value. God, where the hell is it? Sauce. 100 by 100 by 100. That is good. Isn't it kind of big? Whatever. Then 90 by 90 by 90 by 90. Can I pull this out of that thing? Negate. Separate. Union. Yeah, like this. Ew, the texture is so gross. So gross. We're not casting shadow from this thing. We don't really need a shadow from this. Should this be under the map? Does that make sense? Does that make sense for it to be under the map? I think it does. Wait, where's the spawner of them? Spawner. God, this is kind of dark. Do I have like a camera light? Add-on? Nope. Whatever. Are you gonna make the game have one player servers? No, it's gonna have. Actually, there's like a custom system for the player servers. The size of the server is 10 players, but in reality there can no 12 players, but in reality then there can only be like 10 players. Why did I do that? So that I as an admin can join any server I want. What color is this? So yeah, there's like a white list of people that can join no matter the limit. And I think that's really interesting. I also want this to look like it's like a tower standing somewhere. Oh, shh. Oh, teehee. I messed up a little bit. Is it good now? Almost. Why would you want this game to have one player servers though? Though it kind of makes sense. In a way. Not fully. F3X. Real far down. What if I put the reflectance to maximum? Nope. Anchored true. Shadow. Oh, shadow. Yeah, that makes sense. It makes sense for it to not have a shadow. Though, is it going the farthest it can go? Yeah. I just want to duplicate it once more, just in case. Oh, this is actually where the boss can spawn. And we don't need that box right there. What about it now? Huh? It's saying me no spawn port found? Something? Script failed. No root port found? Oh. Right. Shouldn't be too far. Location. Position. Minus 300. Minus 240. Nice. I love this. New script. I mean, new, new account that we're using. Okay. Wall distance. Wall detection distance. Obstacle height threshold. Oh. Wait, I need actual R6 avatar. Parson. It's not a 6. Oh yeah, this is. Oh, I don't need. Let's forget about it. I should make this thing take longer. Let's go like 5 seconds. No, wait, that's not taking 5 seconds. What if there are 2 players inside of one side of the like detection radius of one bot? Let's go with 2. What if the whole game is gonna break when there's 2 people? And what was that explosion I've heard? Huh? What's up? What's up with this guy? Why did one of them die? I suppose we can't really test it like this. Not like this. Alright, hopefully this is gonna work now. No. Sure, whatever. It can't do that. If it can do that, it can't do that. Whatever. NPC AI. Sure. Alright, so that is done. That is done because it's impossible in my case. Make a script that will give out a bash tweet. Alright, that's good. I'll have to make the badge itself. Oh no. Badge giver. Whoever those IDs are. Whatever those IDs are. And write me a similar command for roblox cmdr. CMDR. Let me get this. This is documentation. Oh no. Stop! That will, instead of loading the maps, will load lighting settings and children, like bloom, atmosphere, etc. from a pre-made folder in replicated storage. Also write me a module script that will have a config of lighting properties, all of them. So make the script copy and overwrite anything that is in the lighting that is in lighting with settings provided in the folders from module scripts and assets like bloom, sky, all that Roblox has. Here's an example of a similar script that does that to a map instead. First part, syntaxes. Second part, server. Load map. All right. Hold on. Mm. Mm. Just give me some more time, guys. I know you're all watching the VOD right now, but that's whatever. Alright, for how long have I been streaming? Hour and 40 minutes. Interesting. Hmm. Hmm. God. Let me think. Anyways, I think, I think it was a good stream. Though I was like silent for the last few minutes because I had to do something. And yeah, we will be ending it right here. because, like, I don't feel like coding right now. So I suppose we'll continue on tomorrow about this time. See y'all.